got holes in my plastic.
This is a Heim joint. We're going to take it apart.
Disassembly.
Using some...
Which one?
I don't want to use that. That's
Both.
oily.
One to support.
One to support and one to cut.
You know what I need?
Push.
Push.
What is that from? Is that just a collet?
That is a special pushing tool.
Special pushing tool.
bag?
What?
Grocery bag. Those were,
A grocery bag.
yeah, I just took it on the mirror and I catch all the...
He's drilling his handlebars
No
out.
shame.
We'll see what he does later. See if he screws it up. Okay, how much force?
7 pounds. 7 tons.
It moved.
Oh, not even...
The needle went like this.
I didn't see that.
Camera. The needle went like this. It went about half a line.
That's it?
Yeah.
It's not out yet, though. Go ahead. Oh, yeah. It's out.
See? Special Heim joint removing tool.
And there's a Heim joint with no joint. That's a Heim.
You were smoking that?
Nope.
Okay.
Heim.
Heim. Hi,
There's a
Mom.
Heim.
Hi, Mom. There you go. Okay, now we need our nut tools back that you took off. I don't know why you took these nuts off.
I thought they needed to be level.
You were thinking again.
Yep.
Okay, sir, there you go. Now look at this special, it had a special orifice hole in there. And I'm sure that was lined up with that orifice tube right there.
Sure, anybody who wanted to know how a Heim joint was made. That's it.
These are how cheap Heim joints are made.
Seen it here first.
This thing not quite destroy itself. Let's see here.
It probably gives me douche bumps or something like that.
Oh, I put that on there, yeah.
Sure. Douche bumper. So what?
Any luck, that'll help support it.
Is that a pretty good sales tool that you have with go fuck yourself, ask me how or something?
Yeah, videotaping that, are you?
Oh, yeah, I am.
Well, cut it off. So it's 53 thousandths
53 thousandths.
per side.
Per side.
Per side. Okay, we got our fly cutter in here. That way if it wads up, it won't destroy too many parts. I put the support in, help support it, so hopefully it won't twist on us. So, right now, see it's hitting a little bit. So let's see what happens. Worst I can do is fling out of here and break some stuff. Other than that, no big deal. That's as far as we can go in without hitting anything. 0, 0. Keep our cuts light. 25. Big cut. Try 10. See the difference?
Yeah. That's 15 total, right?
Yes. So I set the 50 on the dial down there. Maybe a 10 pass. Don't need to push it. Attention down there. Some of the ships around.
Jackson, move. Get out of here.
Safety glass is good. Oh.
Misha, go. That must have been a greaser.
Yeah. It's wanting to come out of there.
The greaser or the...
Everything. That has moved up a little bit, which means it's going uphill a little. Alright. 50. 5,000. Freak out coming out. We'll find it. Alright, success. We didn't wad it up. It's your arm over here.
Amazing.
Down to 0. Get back where it was. Take it out, flip it. Back in.
Bang off 50 thou again.
Is that the official number?
That's what we discussed.
Oh. I get confused.
I'm confused?
I get confused.
Oh.
We don't care about you.
Oh, I get confused too, but let's just hope we're not both confused.
Speaking of confused.
Confucius, yes. All right, let's see.
I don't think I'm going to run a grommet in those handlebars.
Oh yeah, sure.
Moving. Yeah. said this was a good setup. It's just a setup. See that nice even surface it's laying on here?
That's perfect.
See this fucking rib. We're not relying on that to do a look.
Precision machining, my friend.
Single point right cut, that's the key. I don't think it's doing very much. I don't think it's doing much.
It looked like it kept going to its own place.
It made me feel better though.
Yeah.
Okay, what's our number we want?
50 thou? Oh.
This one here we want to be at 8 thousandths. So basically around 10 on the dial. Here's what we're after. So we're 15 thou up there. And this side over here. Pretty damn close. Couple thou variable. Okay, we want to get down to 10. We're about 22. So we'll take a 10 pass. And we'll come out with 2. Should put us right where we want to be. Maybe. This looks so much worse this way, so.
I'm just watching it, getting ready to watch it flip out.
Even though it makes no difference, it's happening. It's happening. Oh, there goes our zip. You didn't want that, did you?
Nope.
It's over there on the floor someplace. And put it back here if you can find it. It was doing something, see the chatter?
Yep.
The other one wasn't chattering.
It was moving.
So even though it wasn't supporting it, it was keeping it from chattering. It's like putting your finger on a bell, it quits vibrating. See, we're high right there. Yep. Ooh, we're way low in there though.
It's because it's moving.
Slightly downhill. cut the extra two. See, the difference is when you're coming at backwards, you're on the low angle, so you have actually more surface contact cutting. When you come in this direction, you're only hitting on the point, so you only just catches like that.
Right.
So less surface, less hit, less vibration, easier cutting too. So there's less load on the part trying to rip it out of the mill. Not that we really care about that, did we?
We've got options.
Okay, now we see if it fits. Oh my god, it fit in there.
Fits like a glove.
Yes. Now it's just a matter if it goes in far enough to actually work.
Well, that's all about where we put the hole in the bushing.
Well, it's going to be really low. It's going to take up the whole distance on the inside.
That's cool.
But we should be above the center point just a little bit. It's tighter on this side here of the groove than on the other side. So we're only going to have about 20-30 thou clearance total. That's all. Clearance is clearance, so.
Yep. It's not going to move that much
So
anyway.
when you go this direction, see it's a lot closer. It's a lot down further. See how much deeper it goes in that way?
Mm-hmm.
Which is where it's actually going to be at. Okay, so now we got to make a bushing and sleeve it down to our pin size.
Sweet.
Where's your pin at? Alright, we got the bushing here cut out right now. That's going to go in this hole right here. We're going to sleeve it down to what our pin's going to be here. So there's our hole. So that goes in there like that. So I'm going to take this back and cut this off and narrow it up to this width here and weld it all in. Okay, we have this all made up the bushing, cut it off, stick it in there. So now we're going to take it back and weld it up. We're going to weld all the way around here the circle and then also weld up that hole right there so it won't break there. So that's where we're going next. Okay, I got this clevis all made up now. So we welded in the adapter piece, plug up the hole over there, smooth it all up. So now it fits into our brake lever with our pin. Almost do that with one hand. Almost. Bingo. So there we go. It's on our brake lever, and now we got a pin on there. Now we hook out to that fancy Italian master cylinder he's using. The metric.
So make sure you put a little bit of grease in there.
With that metric Harley-Davidson clevis pin. They should have this as an option for FXRs.
Yeah.
Alright, one more thing all fixed and adapted. Time to move on to the next problem.
You gotta make sure